was founded by St. Sigismund Vasa for the Jesuit order, which had arrived in Krakow by then. The architects and the builders involved in the process of erecting the church were predominantly of Italian origin. The design approved by Rome had been created by the very chief Jesuit architect, Giovanni de Rossi. The 12 figures of the apostles seen inside the church were the most famous Polish Jesuit, Skarga, III. These figures are the descendants of the sculptors here in the past. And one of them, the figure of St. Peter, was founded by Pope John Paul II. The monument of the mentioned Jesuit Piotr Skarga is nearby. Next to the church of St. Peter and Paul, St. Easter, different from the previous sanctuary because of its simplicity and characteristic small windows, functioning as defense against danger. The church has been standing here since the 11th century and had even resisted the Tatar invasion. It bears witness to the great craft of the builders, as well as helps us understand how vital it was in the early Middle Ages to prepare churches for performing a defensive function. In the church treasury, some priceless objects are preserved. Among them, the nativity scene figures from the second half of the 14th century, founded by Elizabeth of Poland, the sister of King Henry III.
Czarek, jest Czarek.